Welcome back to True Nation X. I'm Kim.
I'm Edith.
And I'm here with also Glossybox.
Yay, back-to-back videos. We did
Let's see if I
Birchbox,
can-
we're doing this one. We're probably going to post Birchbox first. And I'll probably post these in the same day. So
Okay, and as you know, when you open it, it's like that, and these things I could care less. Woo!
she just gets rid of those so quick.
No.
She started the advertisements, I guess.
Okay, so it's kind of like, I guess what you would say is their basic color, but, okay.
At least you admit that they have a basic color.
Well,
Yay.
you say that they do, so.
Does it say anything on the box?
Okay, so.
On the lid?
Wait, on this one?
Or wait, no. Who does that? Is that
Look fantastic.
Oh.
Almost a look fantastic.
Glossybox?
I
We
don't
track
know.
together. No, I'm just kidding. I was like, say
fine.
something
I
on the
like
box.
I like their
No,
box.
it's cute. But that'd be cute. An
The
inspirational
Dropbox box, I like
message.
the
I was
design
like,
of your box. I like it. Okay, so yeah, I don't know if you guys saw that. It has a question mark. And then it says, have a reason for the season. You better get ready for some holiday bliss because what's coming in store is too good to miss. Our Glossybox Advent calendar is coming to town. Oh. Okay, unwrap your mystery. Glossy's this month is full of show-stopping surprises our experts have seen on and off the runway. I think I saw that it was going to be... Anyway, I'm just jabbering along here. Okay.
I want to see like
And then,
something real quick.
And then, of course, it looks like that. You can read more of that if you want.
You do get a mystery item, so I want to see what that one is.
Just one more digging into the products. That's the way I am.
See what your mystery, like why you pull it out and see what's on here.
Okay,
What's your mystery?
so, ooh, these are hot. Jeez, how long were these in my mailbox for? Okay, so this is Grow Gorgeous R&R Rescue and Repair Shampoo and Conditioner.
It says with ingredients including sea satin, amino acids, and bamboo extract, this duo from Grow Gorgeous works to fortify damaged hair from excessive bleaching and heat styling. Oh, that sounds
Which
good
I don't
for me.
heat style my hair.
Perfect for
but-
post-summer care. This set leaves your hair soft and stronger than ever before.
And then I am pulling out, is this perfume? Okay. I feel like I have this one somewhere. Arizona, is it Provenza Schuler? Is that how you say it? Eau de Perfume, perfume, spray vaporizer. Is that
That's probably your mystery item. I'm assuming because I don't see any of that on here. I see some other
I'm
things.
like, it could be, I don't know.
So.
I feel like I have this somewhere, but I mean, that's okay because... Okay, next thing I'm
That'd
pulling
be the
out is
mystery item.
Ico London's Fat Liquid Eyeliner Black. I know for sure I've tried this and I like it.
It says
so.
London's Calling and their cruelty-free eye makeup brand is here to keep your cat eye smudge-proof, budge-proof, and utterly foolproof for any catwalk. Say hello, hello, and hello to long-lasting lines.
Which I think I used it so much I actually ran out of it, but I just never went to replace it because we get so many samples of the skinnier ones. So I was just like, but I like that one a lot. Okay, next thing is Contour Cosmetics. Polishes.
It's in Juju.
Yeah, in Juju. So
it says when you want luscious lips and a flash, this liquid lipstick is your secret weapon. With its intense pigmentation and even application, you'll have the puckered pout you've always wanted every time.
I guess this says contour that way.
It's funny because Kim's actually wearing a liquid lipstick right now. She's wearing is it Anastasia's?
Yeah.
Yeah. Which we like that one.
I think this is the last thing. Avant Pro Collagen. I can't even pronounce the next words. Isododecane trolamine
Sounds like all the chemicals in it.
I was like,
it basically says Prestige Pro Perfecting
Oh,
Collagen Primer,
yeah.
Touche Eclat, or something.
In the smaller font, yeah, it says Pro Perfecting Collagen Primer,
Yeah.
Touche Eclat.
So get the extra perk up before your next makeup application with this lovely primer from Avant. With natural ingredients, this PETA-approved primer will stimulate your collagen like a fresh dermatologist visit. Interesting. It says mix a bit of BB cream, in our case a CC cream, with your primer for a natural look and minimal coverage. Use a finishing powder to reduce shine on your T-zone. I wish we could just use it on our T-zone powder. We use it everywhere. But that was it for Glossybox. Always a good box. If it was fast enough for you in this video, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to be part of our future giveaways. And don't forget to actually, what am I trying to say here, Kim? Help me out with the words.
Comment? No.
Participate in our giveaway. That's on our current giveaway. Sorry, my brain's not working today. But we'll catch you in our next video.
Okay, take care.
Bye.